Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I want to show you how to get elegant in less than 5 minutes for all occasions. As you can see, this really cute style on a bun. So stay tuned and see how I achieve that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I upload 2 videos each week, so don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So the things you're going to need for this style is Marley hair, like bobby pins and what do you call those like hair ties. So I started off by laying my hair with some gel. You can use any gel before I went into the shower, and then I'm just doing this after coming out of the shower and of course doing my makeup. As you can see, I used the whole bundle of Marley hair. Like I just took it out of the pack and using the rubber band around the Marley hair the way it comes in the pack, I just tied it around my little bun thing and then from now on it's literally just twisting the Marley hair around my little bun and pinning it. After you're done pinning, pinning is really the key thing for this style. You just want to pin everything and make sure that the Marley hair is secure on your head so that the wind blows or whatever happens, that hair still stays on your head. But that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Like apart from that, like when you're done with the styling and making sure that you place it properly for your head and to shape your face properly. After that, honestly, I accessorize it for whatever occasion I'm going to. If it's a wedding, I'd seriously literally wear this style to my own wedding. Like just add a little crown on it and I don't know, like a veil and you are ready to go to your wedding. But I love this style. It's so easy. After you finish pinning the hair, just play with it to make sure it's comfortable and that it doesn't kind of look weird. Just play with it to shape it however you want it to lay or to stay on your head. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. It's so easy. So for every day, I would wear it like this. So I'm not going anywhere special. I'm just going to school or work or something like that. I would totally wear it like this. And I love it. Like it still matches with your natural hair. And then, of course, if I'm going to a wedding, I'd put on the little crown. I love this little crown. I got it from like an accessory store. It's called Icing. I don't know if they have it in other places, but they have it in Canada. And I just went there and I got a bunch of hair accessories. And then after this crown, like if I'm going to a party or something like that, I only have 4 of these pins, so I only use 4 of them. If I had more, I'd probably put some more in the back of my head. But if I was going to a party, like a nice, like sort of like formal-ish party, I'd totally put them on and wear my nice dress and look cute. Like you look like you tried so hard, or like you put in so much effort, but it was only 5 minutes. I love it. I honestly love buns and I love this style. I love Marley hair. And then if you just wanted to look cute, like you're going to lunch with girlfriends and stuff and you just wanted to, zhuzh things up a little bit, I'd add these little things. I don't know what these little things are called, but I'd add those ones and add as many as you want. I wouldn't go crazy with it because, I don't know, it kind of looks childish a little bit when you add too many of them, but I still love those little things. And I think a lot of people love them because I've seen like a lot of them on Pinterest and Instagram and generally in hair videos. I love them. But if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I upload 2 videos every week, as I said earlier, and I hope I see you next time, guys. Thank you for coming by. See you. Bye.